Hello everyone, I'm Felipe Vieira. I will show how to create Algorand Blockchain Explorer with PHP. Let's start. First, you need to start the node with this command. /goal space node space start space dash g space data. With node run, we need to start the Algorand indexer with this command /Algorand dash indexer space daemon space dash p and the PostgreSQL address, port, user, password, and database name, right? With index running, the indexer will update the PostgreSQL database with all blocks from blockchain chain. Now we can create the graphical interfaces and call to Algorand Indexer API with PHP. First, you need to organize your project with this file structure for CSS, JS, PHP. Let's start with the HTML code. Paste the HTML code. This code for graphic interface. Here we have a top, left, right, and bottom elements. Button for reload, field for making the search, select for define the search type, round, max round, limit for results and search buttons, div to print the results, print the transactions, blocks, and Explorer output. Next, we will change the CSS, inserting this code for starting the HTML code. Save. For this code, we use the jQuery. You can download jQuery code at jQuery site. We need only the minimal code, compressed code. So now let's create the script for interface. Then I paste this code, right? This code has the Explorer class, JavaScript Explorer class, and actions for buttons. With these functions, we can print the transactions, latest blocks, call for search with a search button, and reload button. With this class, we can make all calls for PHP SDK. search function, transaction function, latest transactions, latest blocks, call for address information, text ID information, block information, asset information, and application information. Now let's create the Explorer class. You need to just paste this code. All code is available at your GitHub. You can see at video description. The Explorer class is composed from init the indexer, get the index health, get address information, single transaction information, single address information, single block information, asset information, application. Then here we can list all transactions, all address, assets, applications, and blocks, right? With these functions we can print the output field JSON, and the next functions will format the JSON result in HTML, right? So we have function to format address, single address, single asset, single application, single transaction, you output HTML, and single block. Now with these functions we can print the list of transactions, formatting the JSON for HTML, address, assets, applications, blocks, right? Let's save. Now we need to create the PHP controller. PHP controller, you receive all calls from JavaScript. Right? Here we need to include the PHP Algorand SDK with its code. We need to include in the Explorer class. Start the Explorer class and start the indexer. Here we have the all variables, and all functions, call functions, health, search, search types, transactions lists, address, blocks, asset, applications, latest transactions, latest blocks, right? Let's save. And let's test the Algorand Blockchain Explorer application. Right, running. Here we can find for single register. Let's try. Let's try search for transaction. I paste. I change for transaction. Search. here my transaction, from, to, amount, the fees, type, payment, and then confirmed route. Here the last transactions from this search. Well, let's try an address or account, search, and here I have all information about this address and latest transactions. We can click directly to navigate directly on the blockchain. So let's click here. Let's click again. Let's try this block. Let's make a search for this block. I can click or paste directly in this field to directly search. Block, I change for type block, search. Here, all block information. I turn. You can, if you leave it blank and select the type, the application will return the list of address or transactions, block, assigned, or application. So let's search for address, leaving blank. Here, our address, return it. We can change the limit. Let's try. Right, or found address. Let's try for assigned. Here are all created assigned. Right. You can find by ID. Let's try this ID. We can click, just click, or make a assert. We return same result. Let's try this transaction. Search. All right. Let's explore this address. Right. This block. That's it. Thank you.